George Washington Boner, popularly known as Kid Canfield, was an American gambler and confidence trickster who later reformed and made a series of lectures and 2 films on the prevalence of cheating in gambling. Born in a small village near Columbus, Ohio, Canfield learned to gamble in his family's hotel. After a period running fixed 3-card Monte games at circuses, he traveled the United States to play high-stakes card games. Canfield claimed to have played with gangsters such as Arnold Rothstein, Legs Diamond, and Al Capone, and to have won $350,000 from Rothstein in a single session. By 1910, Canfield had ended his gambling career and was touring the vaudeville circuit with a show recounting his story and revealing his methods of cheating. He published chapbooks on the subject and, in 1912, appeared in a 2-reel silent film depicting his life and cheating methods. He starred in a second film in 1922, 5 reels long, and on a similar subject matter set around a Western theme. Canfield continued his vaudeville act until 1935 when he died, while making a promotional radio broadcast on WIS in Bluefield, West Virginia. Kid Canfield was born as George Washington Boner in 1878 in a small village near Columbus, Ohio. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.